In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your notes in Joplin using notebooks, tags, clear titles, to-dos, search, note linking, and an optional Kanban view. We'll build a simple system that's easy to maintain and quick to navigate so you always know where to put something and how to find it later. Think of notebooks as your main folders. Start by clicking New Notebook in the left sidebar and give it a broad, memorable name, like Work, Personal, or Travel. Inside any notebook, you can create sub-notebooks by right-clicking the parent and choosing New Sub-Notebook. A clean example might be Work with Clients and Projects inside, Personal with Finance and Health, and Travel with London Trip and Japan Trip. Keep these categories broad. Too many tiny notebooks make filing harder and scatter your notes. You want a clear home for everything without overcomplicating it. Next, use tags for flexible organization across all notebooks. Open a note, click tags, and add labels such as #urgent, #idea, #meeting, or #travel. You can assign multiple tags to the same note, which is powerful when something belongs to overlapping themes. Tags cut across your notebook structure so related content stays connected no matter where it lives. Keep tag names short and consistent so you don't end up with near duplicates. Strong note titles make search work for you. Skip vague labels like notes. Instead, write something you'll recognize later, like Client Meeting, March 2026, or London Trip Flight Details. A simple formula is topic, dash, and a helpful detail such as a date or context. Clear titles help both your future self and Joplin's search engine. For tasks, turn notes into actionable to-dos. Create a new to-do with new to-do, or toggle the to-do icon inside an existing note. This lets you track what's unfinished and switch views between completed and incomplete items so your action list stays visible and manageable. Keep task notes focused and concise to reduce friction. When you need something fast, use Joplin Search. Type keywords, filter by tags with tag travel, and combine multiple terms to narrow results. The more consistent you are with titles and tags, the more accurate and speedy your search results will be. To connect ideas, link notes together. Right-click a note, choose Copy Markdown Link, and paste that link into another note. Over time, these connections form a personal knowledge network, letting you jump from a project overview to meeting minutes or from a trip plan to flight details. Finally, if you like visual workflows, the Yes You Can plugin adds a Kanban-style board with columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done.